Hey Arlene, this is video tutorial number 2 for the Global Test Solutions website. In this tutorial we're going to talk about an introduction to the custom site functionality, including how to add an application note, how to create an event, how to create a press release, and how to add something to media coverage. If we come to the globaltestsolutions.com, we can see, if we click library, we have 3 application notes currently in the library. This is set to display all of them, but we just have 3 right now. And each note has each PDF has a name, a description, and a link to download it. So if you wanted to add a new application note, I have a sample application note PDF file here, so I'm going to show you with a sample. So you're going to come into your admin panel, log in, and under links you're going to go to add new, and we can call this new sample application note in the name field. The web address is going to be the link to the PDF document. Now we haven't added the PDF document to the Media Center, so we don't have that yet. So I'm actually going to right click and choose on Media and choose Open Link in New Tab. Then I'm going to come to Media and I'm going to click the Add New. And I can either click the select files or I can just drag and drop, so I'll just drag it in there. Now I've uploaded it, and if I click this Edit Link, you can see there's a lot of different things I can choose and click to take. For example, this permalink, but that's not going to give me what I want. What I need is the file URL, which is over here on the right. So I'm going to double or triple click and then Command C to copy it. Now over here in the link, I'm going to put the link here. You see it says the location all the way to .pdf, so that's the correct link. The description could be, this is an example application note description. And just like the blog post, if you don't assign it to a category, it's not going to know where to show up on the site. So we need to assign this PDF to the application notes category. And you could set it to open in a new window or the same window, or just leave it alone. I'm not sure that it matters in this case because it's a PDF, but I'm just going to go ahead and put it to open in a new window or tab, so I'm going to choose blank. And I think that's all we're going to need. If I do add link, and now if we come back to the front end and refresh, we should have a new link. Here it is, new sample application note. This is an example. We click it, it will take us to the PDF. So that's it. That's how you add new application notes. Let's say I wanted to change where that link was pointing. I could come to all links. Now I'd have to upload a new PDF if I wanted to point to a new download. But if we come to links and we find new sample application note, we could change this link to whatever we wanted it to be, or we could change the description, add to it, any of that. In this case, because it's a sample, I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Say OK. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you one other thing while we're doing the links, because this is potentially an important piece. Every product listing has a little piece of shortcode that says if an application note is added and it is the same as the product name, in this case WF1974, it's going to display it down here. So if I add a new application note and I give it this name, it will show up down here. So let's try that. I'm going to come back to links, add new, and I'm going to give it this name. And let's see if a sample will pop back up. Here we go. And description, it's an example application note description. We got to assign it to the application notes category in order for it to show up here. Let's choose blank again and add link. So now two things should happen. Well, it should show up again here, even though I deleted it. I haven't refreshed, so this page shouldn't change. Oh, right, except for the name will change. But now, if we come to that product and we refresh, if we're lucky, it shows up right here. So that's how that works. Now I'm going to come back and delete that link because it's just a made-up link for demonstration purposes. And here it is, so I'll click delete and OK. So we just talked about how to add an application note and how to make an application note show up on a product page. You would name the note the same thing as the product. I'm going to go ahead and end this video tutorial here, and the next tutorial will be video 2B, and in that tutorial we'll talk about how to create an event, how to create a press release, and how to add something to media coverage.